guys, welcome to my channel that is Science by Sherry and this is Sherry. So before starting, let me tell you what this video is about. This video is about that how will you score 90s if you study in the last 20 days before the exams. So first of all, what you have to do in this 20 days, so there are two types of people, that are the fast learners and the fast readers, and the other are the slow learners and the slow readers. So depending on that, if you are a fast learner and a fast reader, then what you can do is you can study the entire syllabus, and what you have learned in the all session you can revise in that in the 20 days. And if you are a slow learner and a slow reader, you can do is that you can follow what I'm gonna say, but it is not that it is not for the fast learners and readers. The thing is you have to do what I say. तो कई लोगों का ऐसा होता है भी देर उनकी जाग खुलती है जब एंडिंग होती है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एंडिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट कर लोगे एंड यू विल गेट not. It is not that. You have to be smart with your work. The first thing I want to tell you is that you have to do 10-year previous papers, and उसके लिए मैं आपकी मदद करूँगी. Like आपको मुझे follow करना होगा, because these 20 days I will make sure that you revise all the 10 years question papers, and then is जो आपकी CISCE है उसने इशू किए हैं कुछ पेपर्स दैट आर बेस्ड ऑन द सिलेबस दैट इज रिवाइज्ड सिलेबस, और अगर आप वो करोगे, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस गेट रिपीटेड फ्रॉम द सैम्पल पेपर्स एंड प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स, दैट इज क्वाइट श्योर. देन बी दैट यू प्रिपेयर ऑल द थिंग्स very thoroughly, and it is hard that you do it from heart. This is not the thing that you will be non-serious in the last days and you will get anything. You have to be very consistent and be very regular with that. From my experience, let me tell you that when I was in the 10th grade, I used to be the last bencher, and I was one of the notorious kids in my class. And in the pre-boards, when I got in 70s, and I was so sad, because this is not the grade that you have to get in your pre-boards and in the boards. Like if you have to do, then you have to do it. So usually you get the breaks before the exam, and they are more than sufficient for you to revise for this particular subject that the paper is off. तो आप ऐसे करो भी जैसे 5 days if you get holidays, then the thing is the 3 days you put for the exam that is to be held the next day, and उसके पहले के 2 दिन you can utilize it for other works like languages you can do, or prepare the mind maps, or you can prepare the formula sheet that you can just go through and be very sure that you are gonna attempt that in the exam if they are the questions come from that, and you will really be thankful to me for this, because you will do that, you will attempt that which you have already done, and this time you utilize that is going to give you back, that is giving the price is to be paid. जो टाइम आप यूटिलाइज करते हो, अगर आप वेस्ट करते हो फिर भी उसका आपको आउटकम मिलता है, दैट इज पॉजिटिव. और यहाँ नेगेटिव हो, आपको मिलना ही मिलना है उस टाइम का. तो दैट इज योर चॉइस दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू यूटिलाइज द टाइम. एंड दीज 20 days अगर आप अपना कुछ भी डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो वो भी आप ओवरकम कर लो, और आप कोई भी चीज़ हो जो आपको डिस्टर्ब करती है, और अगर आप नॉन सीरियस हो, बट फिर भी आप ऐसे करो भी आप सीरियस हो और आप रेगुलर हो, बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड यू फॉलो द थिंग्स, you know which is right and what is wrong. Topics don't know that are the topics you will not know in this 20 days. And अगर आप जो चीज़ें आपको पता ही नहीं है, अगर आप उसको फिर से करते हो तो 20 डेज में आप, मुझे नहीं लगता आप उसको अगर करो तो वो आप कर पाओगे. बट द थिंग्स दैट यू नो, आपको पता है, तो उसको बार बार रिवाइज करने से यू विल रियली, मतलब आप बहुत अच्छे से करोगे उस चीज़ को अटेम्प्ट. तो यू बी सीरियस, बी कंसिस्टेंट, बी रेगुलर, leave your distractions behind and make your parents proud. because आपको पता नहीं भी, अगर आप एग्जाम्स हो गए तो जो इतना टाइम स्पेयर बचेगा, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग इन दैट. अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्टेड हो, अगर आपको कोई भी एक्टिविटी करनी पसंद है, तो यू विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम आफ्टर एग्जाम्स. और आप कुछ भी उसमें करो, और आप इवन की सोचोगे भी अब मैं क्या करूँ इतने टाइम में. That is very much, and it is very hard to spend time that you don't have work into to do. Then is the life is yet to begin. This is not the ending. This is the first level you are going to cross. Because the school life, I think the 10th is the last phase that you will pass, and the school life will end here, most probably of many students. And the 12 years that you have done in the school are the result आपका डिसाइड करेगा. जो आप 10th के ग्रेड लेके आ रहे हो, वो भी 12 years और 13 years आपने स्कूल में क्या किया है. Because the mark sheet of 10th is really very important. So why don't you waste? Why don't you utilize the time and bring the very best out of you? And because you are the best version of yourself, and you can do very well in these exams. Okay, thank you, bye.